Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we want to calculate the number of valence electrons that are going to be present on the peroxide ion, that is O2 minus. And in this case, the number of valence electrons can be calculated directly employing the Lewis structure. So we need to take into account that each of the oxygens are going to contribute to 6 valence electrons. So let's consider that we're going to have these 6 valence electrons as follows. Let's put the ones for the oxygen on the left over here and the oxygen on the right over here. Oops. Perfect. So far we have taken into account the 12 valence electrons corresponding to the oxygens, but we need to consider as well, let me make these electrons a little bit larger just for exemplify everything. What we need to consider is that we will get an extra 2 electrons coming from the charge. So we can add them over here on these positions. And with that, we're done with the Lewis structure. Actually, over here, instead of having like a simple one like that, we can consider it as a pair being shared in between both of the oxygens. So with this, we're going to have 14 total valence electrons in the peroxide ion. And as you can see, this is going to satisfy the octet rule for both of the oxygens. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.